Hello guys, welcome to today's video. This is Coding with AI and this is the part 2 of the supermarket Java application. We are going to use AI for the debugging, for quick search. Uh, let's go. We are going, let's do like this, and then, yeah, yesterday we talked about the JDBC, the connector. We 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 did an example on how to load the driver, and then today we are going to be real quick. We need to take the application which has been provided, and for that, we have already copied it in the yeah in the NetBeans products. We just need to extract supermarkets. And then let's open it with not NetBeans, open projects, supermarkets, this one. Let's open the project. So we go, yes, we need to connect also the database. So let's go, going to create a new database. Let's call it supermarket, and then we create it. So we need to import the SQL file which has been provided. Okay, let's import it. So after that, let's just see we have products table and users table. Okay, let's just try to run it. So supermarket, we see it contains and add products.java, db, dashboard login. This looks to be the main class. And then the main class is calling the login form. As you can see, it is calling this class, and then you put on set visible, so mean that the form will be displayed. Let's just go. So the login don't have the credential. Let's just try to do the registration. I'm going to provide code with AI for username, password code with AI, a picture. I have a beautiful picture in my downloads, and then let's take this one, open. Let's click on the registration. So it provides some outputs, but no panel message. So let's just check if so successful here. There was Alien. Let's just try to refresh, browse. Yeah, code with AI is there. So mean that at least we are able to register. Let's just try to click on login. So first the login is not working. On click on the login. So what we need to do there is let's just go back in the code of the login, the registration, and then you need to click on login, and then once on action performed, once you click on login, we need to code the login page, new login page, should be new login dot set visible, should be true, and then this should dispose, this should close, this set visible should be on false. Okay, yeah, let's just try again to run the same. admin, no, it's code with AI. Yeah, it's code with AI. And then login, invalid credentials. No, that shouldn't be the case. Mean that something is wrong on the one click on the login. So in this case, we need to just filter the registration, uh, because on the recent one click on login, it should normally call the, yeah, why it is not working. It should normally call the on the registration. We just modify on clicking on the login. It should normally call new login set visible. We display the login. That's why not working. Let's do this. Register, then login. This is where it's how the login is not working. Register, action performed. Okay, let's see. Set visible. But it shouldn't be an issue. So there we are calling the new login. It's visible to true. Let's just try to do like this. Register and then click on login. Nothing is happening as you can notice. So that is a little bit weird. So what do we need to do? Action performed. Should be the case. Okay. Don't think it should be the case, but let's just try to do login. Login equals new login, and then we say login dot set visible. So it's visible to true. So let's just try to execute the same. Register login. Yeah, that is not working. So why that? Let's go on the login. Yes, we load the components. Yeah, sure. String username. Okay. Yeah, we have the. Yeah, we can. Let me go and do the registration and then the design. So this is okay, bath on and then okay. Mhm. Action performed. We are there. We are just creating it, and then we are just going. Okay. What's the issue? Okay. This. Mm, mhm. I know. Let's just do login. There is new login. Login sets visible to true. Yeah, why it is not working? So it is red on. Are we able to? Yeah, if we do the registration, the login, we are able to Let's just run this one. As you can see, we are able to do it. Registration. So, where if we go in the login, let's go in the design. So when you click on the registration, how was it implemented? When you click there, prepared, okay, okay, register. When you click on the login instead, no, we have to go on the login. So okay, the design, and then when you click on registration, register, set visible to force. So normally the same code should work on the in this part as well, because this dot set visible should be false, but why it is not working? Register and then login. Yeah, for some reason this looks not to be working. So we need just to find why it is not an issue with the codes. No, it shouldn't be an issue with the code. Yeah, let me go to the design. Then mhm, accessibility, G101. Mhm, okay, okay, okay. Let's go on the event. Okay. Let's see the login place. Public. Key. Login. Okay, is it working? System.out. We need to debug. Println. Yeah, we put working. When clicking there, it should display working. Okay, register. When clicking there, yes, we can see the thing is that code is not working. Yeah, for some reason the code is not working there. What I'm going to do, let me do this, clean and build the supermarket. Yeah, let's just wait a little bit. Mm, okay, that is no problem. Those are the warning. Let's run again. Register and then login. It is working. So there's no problem. So the first step that the initially we faced was with the redirection when going to the login. So because here now you are able to navigate. So after that, we need just to make sure we can when we are using our credential codes with AI code AI. When you log in, it is giving you all its login details. So how are we going to do it? We just need to verify on the login action which is being performed on the login. Let's go on design. It's real quick and login. What is happening? Also, it has been at code. That means that here equal admin and 1 2 3. But we need normally to take uh though to test these conditions with the data we are having in the database. Mean that any user which is saved in the database should be able to access. So let's just do it. If you remember well, I can see we need just to connect to DB and fetch users. So I can see here there is a DB class which we are going to use. Let me open it. DB, so it's localhost supermarket, and I created the same. So connect. So we'll use these methods. Let's go in the login. Mean that we are going to call our DB. Then should be DB should be equals new DB. So after that, we are going to create the connection. Let's import it. No, this should come from SQL. Let's just import all of SQL stuff. Import java.sql.all. Okay, connection. Let's create it. Con should be called db.connect. So after that, we need to fetch the users. We need to get the admin and password from the database. Mean that we need to construct the query. Construct the query. It will be, yes. Let's make it final string. Final string. Fetch user will be equals to select all from the database table is users, as you can see, users, and we have username and passwords from users where username equals and password equals. Okay, so after that we need to if you go to the document, back to the documentation, you can see that you can use the statements to deal with the database after. So let's see. You can statements just allow you to execute basic SQL query. Okay, okay. Can use statements and then result sets. Execute statement to execute the query, and then if statement to execute the query, can get the result set. Okay, and then you need to close this important notion, so no problem. So there is what we call also prepared statements. We are going to use the prepared statements. So prepared, it will be called prepared statements. Prepared statement will be equals the connection, and then the connection we need to yeah to prepare the statement, which will be our fetch user. So it is more secure than the statements. So we are going to pass the uh, parameters. For example, for we need to specify the username and the password. So it will be like So that's one. Press statements. Why is it? Yeah, let's surround the block with twine sketch. It's okay. Yeah, we are going to do PS. We pass the first first parameter. It will be set all our string. It will be the first one. We are going to pass the username. That's we fetch from the input text, and then PS set string, set string. So it will be equal to the passwords, and then so we are going to fetch the results. Results, which is into the result sets objects. Result sets would be rs be equal px, execute the query. Okay, so there we have an object which to take the records from the database. So what we are going to do, yes, saying if username equals, and okay, mean that we need to have also other two variables, string, um, username, username. Okay, let me call it db user, db user equals, let's initiate it to null, string db um, passwords, let's initiate to null, and then if we are able to move forward, okay, mean that that's the query was successful. Else we have to g option pen dot mm, show mm, show message. Yeah, let's use the show message. It should be this, and then it will show that your credentials are not valid. Credentials are not valid. Else, if else, we need just to check this one. So mean that let's check this. Mm, Else, we are going to test if they are correct credentials. This is string. Else, let's test if they are correct credentials. So if the username will be equals not hard code, let's not hard code it, db user, and then here we're going to pass the db pass. Okay, if it will show the dashboard, else. So, else we've already handled this by there. There's no. So here, if it's move forward, it means that okay, we cannot connect to the. We cannot check. Okay, let's see connectivity to the database. It is logic connectivity to the database. Feds. So just do this. Let's test our codes. Okay. Let's see if all is working. There. Okay. We put incorrect credential because we don't know anything, and then login, invalid login details, it's okay. What if we put codes with AI, codes with AI, AI, and then login, invalid login details, that is not correct. Am I writing it good? Codes with AI, it is still showing invalid login details. So if we move next, uh, oh, here it's empty, empty. Empty, empty should work because we didn't, after the result set we execute the query, but we didn't fetch the results from the database. So if it move next, we need to initialize because it means that if we enter empty, empty should work. Are you? Yeah, let's just put login. Normally should, because we test DB user empty, empty. It should normally, where it's not working. Empty, empty, and then login, invalid login test. If result next, so here the results of didn't move forward because the condition was not met. So it means that we need to put the string db user. We execute. We need to fetch. Let's just see invalid login quit if username equals to db user. So and if password equals db password, or in the database there is no empty empty string, it is no, it is normal. But also the username we are entering, let's see, no, but it should work. Let's just do this. If user move next, let's fetch, let's first fetch the db user username. Should be equals to the user says dot get string, should be the second one because the second column after the ID, as you can check, should be the second column after the ID is username. The third one is the password. GB passwords should be equal to reader set dot get string, should be equals to 3. Then let's execute again. Codes with the AI. Code with the AI. Invalid login. That's red. In the database, don't have those codes with AI. Codes we H AI. So it is not correct. It's codes with AI. Or let's create a new user directly. Let's do real quick register. Let's create admin. Then admin. Browse pic. We go. We take any picture. To go again. I have a picture in this directory. Open and then register. So should be fine. Yeah, sure, should be fine. After that, we log in, admin, and then here we are going to put admin. Click on login, invalid login credential details. That's not correct. I mean, that's the logic in the code. There's something wrong. So select all from users where username equals and password equals. And then here we prepare the statement, we fetch it, and then we press say string 1, PSS string 2, okay, with a set, PS, and then if we move forward, let's just, if we move forward, let's display the system out for debugging purpose, system does out dot println db user, just to make sure we are able to system out, println, b, user, yeah, that's fine. So let's do like this. Admin, I should display the admin if it's in the database. Invalid login details. Okay, I mean that's normally it has moved forward. So is it again an issue? So why am I clean and build? Let's just see again. But it shouldn't be the case. Let's just run the project. Admin and then here admin shouldn't, yeah, sure. So it looks like yeah, now it is working. I'm able to log in the database, so there is no problem. That's all, guys. So in this video we didn't use ChatGPT, but it should be easier when you get an issue, an error. But we are going to continue checking the application and adding features in the next video. So thank you guys for your attention, and subscribe, comment, and share the video, and yeah, leave a like. So thank you.